Hello everyone, I am Vishal and today I am going to present on classification on data structure. A data structure is a specified format for organizing, processing and storing data in computer. It's enable efficient data management and access, allowing algorithm to operate on the data effectively. Data structure can be simple or complex, and they are foundational in computer science for designing efficient algorithm and managing large amount of data. There are two types of data structure. First is primitive data structure. Primitive data structure is a basic data structure and directly operate upon a machine instruction. Primitive data structure represent single value are generally predefined in programming language. Primitive data structure map directly to specific location in memory, making them efficient in terms of access and manipulation. Basic operation such as addition, subtraction and logical operation can be performed on primitive data type. The size of primitive data structure is usually fixed and defined by the language or architecture. Example is integer character and string. Second is non-primitive data structure. Non-primitive data structure is a complicated data structure and derived from primitive data structure. On primitive data structure can store multiple values and organize them in various way. They are essential for managing large amount of data and enabling efficient data processing. Example is linear and non-linear. The linear data structure. Linear data structure are a collection of data elements arranged in sequential manner. In this structure, each element is connected to its previous and next element, formatting a straight line. The linear data structure is essential for organizing and managing data efficiently, and they support various operations such as insertion, deletion, and traversal. There are four types of linear data structure. The first type of linear data structure is array. Array is a fixed size sequential collection of element of same data type. Characteristic of array is an array holds element that have the same data type. Array elements are stored in subsequent memory location. Two-dimensional array element are stored in row by row in subsequent memory location. Array name represent the address of starting elements. Array size should be mentioned in the declaration. Array size must be a consist expression and not a variable. In array there are two types. First is one dimensional array, a single row of elements. A one dimensional array stores a single list of various elements having a similar data type. A second is multi dimensional array. Elements are arranged in a row and column, means matrix form. Okay. The second type of linear data structure is linked list. Linked list is a linear collection of elements called nodes, and nodes are connected through pointers. Linked list is maintain a list in memory location. There are three types of linked list. First is singly linked list. Singly linked list, also called as linear linked list. Each node consists two field. In first field store data, and in second field store address of next node. The second one is doubly linked list. In doubly linked list, each node contains two pointer, one to the next node and one to the previous node. Allows traversal in both direction, forward and backward. In doubly linked list there are three fields. First is previous. It store address of previous node. In second field in information or data, it store data, and third field store address of next node. And third is circular data list, circular linked list. The last node pointer back points back to the first node, formatting a circular structure. The third type of linear data structure is a stack. A stack is a linear data structure that follow the last in first out principle, means LIFO principle. An element can be insert or delete only at the end, called top of the stack. Elements are removed opposite order in which they are added to the stock. The fourth type of linear data structure is queue. A queue is a linear data structure that follow the first in first out, means FIFO principle. A new element can insertion at the one end called rear and deletion in other end called front. Operation on stack and queue. First is push, add the element to the top of the stack. Then pop, remove the return, remove and return the top elements of the stack. Pip, return the top elements without removing it from the stack. NQ, add an elements to the rear of the queue. DQ, remove and return the front of element of the queue. The next is nonlinear data structure. Nonlinear data structure are data structure where the elements are not arranged in sequential manner. Example is tree and graph. Tree are the multi-layer data structure with hierarchical relationship among its elements known as nodes. The bottommost node is is called leaf node, and while topmost node is called root node. The tree data structure is based on the parent-child relationship among the nodes. Each node contains pointer that pointer to the child node. Graph. Graph can be defined as a pictorial representation of the set of elements represented by vertices connected by the links known as edge. These are examples of tree and graph. Thank you.